Invest since Lucia currently has over $4.8 billion worth of projects in the works in the tourism sector. The global direct foreign investment climate has been challenging due to pandemic lockdowns and COVID-19 restrictions. CEO of Invest St. Lucia, Roderick Cherry, says despite the fallout from the pandemic, feedback from investors have been promising nonetheless.
In the tourism sector, I already mentioned that there was a recommitment by investors to all projects. What we did see, though, was delay in project implementation, an average of 12 to 18 months. Invest St. Lucia has a total pipeline of $1.8 billion US dollars, or 4.8 billion EC dollars currently facilitating. In 2020, even with the lockdown in the tourism sector because of COVID, there was a 32% increase in Invest St. Lucia's pipeline for facilitation in the tourism industry. There remains a high interest from established brands such as Marriott, Hyatt, and Hilton.
Invest St. Lucia also focused on business process outsourcing initiatives. Cherry says that industry held its own in 2020.
During 2020, amid the COVID-19 pandemic and the stringent protocols policed vigorously by the Ministry of Health and the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, the BPO sector saw unparalleled growth. Invest St. Lucia was able to renovate and retrofit 2 non-performing factory shells in the Uranora Free Zone, which resulted in 450 young St. Lucians gaining employment during COVID. Other BPO highlights: we have continued to implement our growth strategy for that sector, and we are seeing the benefits. The sector, the BPO sector, experienced more than a 20% growth across the board from both new and incumbent entrants.
Invest St. Lucia will also provide assistance to local investors in the manufacturing sector.
Over the last 6 months, Invest St. Lucia has vetted 20 local proposals totaling $117 million EC, with a proposed 1,025 jobs. We continue to facilitate manufacturing sector with a keen focus on food security. Now, when I say vetted, it means that proposals from local businesses have reached us and we analyze them. Not all of these will turn into actual investment.
Entrepreneurship was also high on the agenda for Invest St. Lucia in 2020. In September 2020, the agency launched its Business Incubator and Accelerator program dubbed Boost. The objective is to produce successful enterprises with prospects for growth and expansion. Gina Filippi, HCS News Force.